Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and in today's video, I will show you and also tell you how you can reset keyboard settings on iPhone. Friends, please put your likes under the video, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. So let's get down to our topic today. And in order to reset some keyboard settings, you'll need to go to your iPhone settings first, and then go to the main section. And that's where you'll find the keyboard. And here, friends, you'll be able to easily customize various keyboard options and reset them or disable them. For example, you can disable if you click on the word at the top of the keyboard. You can disable or you can add some of the languages. Let's say if any of the languages are bothering you. Then at the top, click Edit Pause and just click on the minus next to the language, so it'll be removed immediately. And then click Ready to save the new language list. Also, folks, here, when you go back to the keyboard, you'll be able to see a rather large list of different settings that you can also easily customize. For example, you can turn off autocorrect for your text just by pressing a button. In the same way, you will be able to disable absolutely other, also different functions. But unfortunately, friends, here in the keyboard menu, you will not be able to completely reset it to factory settings, as the keyboard was originally. To do that, you'll have to go back to basic. Scroll down to the bottom and here you'll find iPhone Reset. And here you'll need to press Reset. And you'll find in this little menu an option to reset the keyboard dictionary. You'll need to click on that. Then enter your phone password. And then let's say your password or your Apple ID password. And then confirm your actions by doing this. You will reset the keyboard dictionary. Only in this way, friends, you will be able to reset your keyboard to factory settings and see it in the state it was originally in. This is the way, friends, you will be able to reset your keyboard settings on iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.